friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm taking you guys through a quick tutorial on how I do my hair using a large barrel tool on my short bob. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to section it off into 3 different sections, and I'm just taking the hair tool and I'm doing the bottom layer. So I'm not worried about those little itty bitty pieces because you don't really see them. Then I am going to the second layer. There's no rhyme or reason to this. I am not being perfect with this. The whole point of this hairstyle is to kind of be messy and unkept. So I'm just grabbing different pieces and just kind of taking them through. So one thing that I noticed right here is that it was a little uneven and I didn't have a lot of hair. So I was just kind of fixing that and then kind of breaking it through. I take the ends, I do my ends. Some people leave their ends out. It depends. As it gets longer, I will leave my ends out, but right here, because it's so short, I feel like it's a better look if I include my ends. So one good tip to kind of help with the frizziness is to brush this section before you start doing it. And you can see here, when I pick up the hair, it's a little bit frizzy. It's kind of all over the place. So I smooth it out with a brush and then I go through, and it's just so much easier to get rid of that frizz, because once you do this, you do not want to put a brush through your hair because it will just puff it up. You'll have the whole poodle look going through. The other tip that I want to give you is when you're sectioning it off and you're kind of clamping it in and you're going on the bottom hair, push it up so that the portion of the top is kind of cooling when it's a little crimped, and it will help that crimp hold a little bit better. So then once I have my whole head done, I'm going through here and I'm just taking pieces and I'm just randomly putting them through the barrel. No rhyme or reason, just kind of looking at it and making sure that I got all my sections, that everything is touched and it's really, really smooth. So then I'm taking some dry finishing spray. I will link it down below, and just kind of messing it up. I'm not taking a brush through this. I'm running my fingers through. Again, this is supposed to be a really cute, messy look. So hopefully you guys enjoyed.